Hey guys, these are my SWG 1000 watt wind turbines I had. I had these quite a long time ago. They're absolute junk, really. The biggest problem with them is they would not auto-furl, and as you'll see here in a second, this is the power output meter. This outback system was the best part of the whole system. It was an outback grid tie inverter, and these are the wind turbines, and this is what was coming through them on this day. And you'll see here they go, they should be outputting around 2000 watts maximum, and as you can see they're going over that quite a bit, and the reason is they're not auto furling. They should furl out of the wind when the wind picks up. There's 3,400 watts. They're going to end up burning themselves out. What's going to happen? And that's actually what did happen. They actually overproduced and ended up burning the windings out inside the generators. I did take them down and I got them rewound. I actually rewound them myself. A friend of mine helped me, and we put them back up, and they actually cooked again. So just absolute junk. They're Chinese wind turbines, and they're just not worth anything. Don't buy them. They're just junk. And I was told that they'd put out, I believe it was 800 kilowatt hours a month. I was lucky if I saw between 50 and 100 kilowatt hours a month out of the two of them. Really, don't recommend them. Don't buy them. Just not good turbines at all. They're just really, really bad turbines. Anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a lot.